In this video, we will discuss the new mapping features within WebEOC. From the control panel, you'll have a new section now labeled Maps. Here, you'll be able to view all the maps you have permission to see. Clicking the name of a map opens it in a new tab within the existing window. Multiple maps can be opened in different tabs. Also, clicking the new window arrow to the right of a map name opens the map in a new window of its own. You can also open maps by clicking on the map icon within boards that are enabled for maps. Clicking the map link or button opens a map jumping directly to the entry's geographical location. When a map is open, a map icon is shown in the Maps tab, readily identifying the tab as a map and not a board. Once you open up a map, you'll see a variety of items appear, such as icons, clusters, polygons, lines, and more. Next, we'll talk about the basic features within the map. In the upper right corner, you'll see the zoom in and zoom out feature. Below the zoom in and zoom out feature, you'll see two additional icons. The first icon will allow you to return to the map's default view. The second icon will take you directly to your location on the map. To the far left of the map, you'll see an arrow pointing to the right. Clicking this arrow will expand the side navigation menu. Here, you'll see three sections: map layers, annotations, and boards. At the bottom, you'll see four additional tools to be used within maps. Next, we'll go over each of these sections and tools. First, we'll discuss map layers. When viewing a map, you have the option of turning map layers on or off. If adding additional map layers to a single map becomes overwhelming or confusing, you can disable layers as needed. To manage the map layers, open the Map Layers section. Here, you can select the checkbox associated with any and all map layers you want applied to the map, or clear the checkbox associated with any and all map layers you do not want applied to the map. For example here, we'll turn on the Parks and Trails layer along with the Major Lakes layers. Now you can see how they appear on the map. Next, we'll talk about annotations. Annotations can be added to any map. These annotations can identify hot zones, areas of importance, and more. Each annotation can be composed of up to one static feature, such as a line, or circle, or one label. Once created, annotations can be logically organized in the side navigation menu using the up and down arrows associated with each annotation. Annotations can also be edited and deleted. To add a new annotation to the map, open the Annotations section. Next, click the green Add Annotations button. Next, enter a name for the annotation you're adding to the map. If you'd like to add color to the annotation, click in the color box, and from the color picker that opens, click to select the color for the annotation. Next, we'll discuss the various annotations that can be added to the map. If you'd like to draw a freehand shape, click the pencil icon, and then click on a point on the map, and hold and drag the pencil across the map, drawing a custom shape. When you have created the desired shape or line, double-click your final point, and a shape will be created on the map. If you want to draw a circle on the map, select the circle icon, and then click a point on the map, drag your cursor to create the desired radius for the circle. When you have created the desired circle size, double-click, and a circle will be created on the map. If you'd like to draw a line on the map, click the line string icon, then click a point on the map, and continue clicking different points on the map to create a custom line. When you have created the desired line, double-click your final point, and a line will be created on the map. To draw a custom shape or polygon, click the polygon icon. Then, click a point on the map and continue clicking different points on the map to create a custom polygon. When you have created the desired polygon, double-click your final point or single-click your starting point, and a shape will be created on the map. To add a textual annotation, click the A icon. Next, enter the text for the label that will display on the map. Then, from the font size drop-down menu, select the font size for the annotations label. As applicable, click the bold and/or italics icons to apply special treatment to the label. Click the point on the map where you want the label added, and the textual annotation will appear on the map. If desired, use the opacity scale to set the opacity of the annotation. Once you're done adding the annotation to the map, select Save. Next, we'll discuss managing the different board data displayed in the map. To turn on and off different board data that is displayed in the map, open the Boards section. Here, you'll be able to select the checkbox associated with any and all boards you want contributing data to the map, or clear the checkbox associated with any and all boards you do not want data pulled from into the map. For example here, we'll turn off the Active Shelters board and the Request Managers board. You can see data has disappeared from the map. Next, we'll discuss the 4 additional tools in the side navigation menu. These 4 additional tools include the Measurement tool, Find Address tool, Feature Search tool, and Print tool. The first tool we'll discuss is a Measurement tool. The Measurement tool allows you to measure the distance between 2 or more points on the map, or measure an area of a polygon. To use this tool, you must first click the measurement icon in the bottom toolbar. Next, select what type of measurement you want to take. Either select distance for measuring between 2 points, or select area if you want to measure the area of a polygon. Next, select your unit of measurement, either kilometers or miles. Once you are ready to measure either distance or an area, toggle the switch to on. When you are ready to measure, click a point on the map to start drawing a line, and click a second point to create a line that can be measured, and repeat this step until the line you want measured has been defined. When finished drawing the line, double-click your final point, and a solid line will be created on the map, and a measurement in the units defined appears next to the line. To remove any measured lines or areas from the map, click Clear Measurements. To stop drawing or making points on the map, for Measure, switch the toggle to Off. Next, we will discuss the Find Address tool. The Find Address tool allows you to zoom in to a specific location on the map. When you want to locate a specific address on any given map, you have 3 options to help you pinpoint the location. You can find the address by its actual address, or you can also locate an address by click or coordinates. To use this tool, you must first click the Find Address icon in the bottom of the toolbar. In the first drop-down menu, select how you want to find the address, either by the actual address, by click, or by coordinates using latitude and longitude. For this example, we'll use by address. For address, enter the full street address of the location you want to see on the map. Once you've entered an address, click Submit. To clear an entry, click Clear, and if you want to find a new address, enter a different address and click Submit again. The next tool we'll discuss is a Feature Search tool. When a map contains multiple features or data points, it may be beneficial to use the Feature Search tool. The Feature Search tool allows you to pinpoint a feature on the map if you know the name of the feature label you are looking for. To open the Feature Search tool, click the Feature Search icon in the bottom toolbar. In the search text box, enter the name of the feature you want to locate on the map. For this example, we'll use Mission Request. Once you've entered the name, select Submit. Once you click Submit, a Matches field opens with a drop-down menu that contains all results for your search. Select the appropriate match from the menu to go to that location on the map. The last tool we'll discuss is the Print tool. Using the Print tool, you can print a display of a map that shows geocoded points and any annotations. The area printed is the area of the map currently visible in the browser window. To print an area of the map, select the Print tool icon at the bottom of the navigation menu. A window opens to walk you through the printing process. Follow browser prompts, selecting the appropriate printer and print properties, and click Print. Last, we'll discuss how to add a map feature to a board record. Open up any board and then select Create New Record in the upper right-hand corner or the green button. Complete the form like you normally would. The only change is a new address and location field. There are 2 ways you can add an address now to a record. The first is to enter the address in the address text box. After you've entered the address, select the map icon to the right. Once you select Map, the map will open with the geocoded location on the address you entered. If the address is not correct, you can change it by clicking on the map. After you have selected the address, select Save. After you select Save, a green check mark would appear next to Map. After you've completed the form, select Save. The second way you can add an address to a record is by simply clicking the map icon instead of entering the address in the address text box. Once you select Map, you'll have to find your location on the map. After you have found the location you want to associate with the record, click that point on the map. Once you click on the map, a dark blue circle will appear. Once you have associated the address with your record, select Save. Finish your form and then select Save. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact Guilford County Emergency Management at 336-641-2278 or by email at gcemsupport@guilford-es.com.